Hello and welcome to the Vancouver NeuroPhysio YouTube channel. My name is Brian and I'll be your host for the next little bit. Before we get started, I really wanted to talk about one of the most important things. Anytime you're doing exercises, especially if you're going to be doing exercises from home and potentially alone, it's really important that you set up your environment to make sure you're going to keep safe during all of your exercises. If you're working with a chair, make sure it's either very sturdy or up against a wall so it doesn't topple backwards just in case you have to sit down quickly. If you're going to work on balance, maybe work on balance with a wall behind you or being in a corner or using a door, but make sure it's locked or that no one's going to come through, just to make sure you have something to kind of brace yourself again, just in case you lose your balance a little. You do want to push things just ever slightly, but to make sure that you're also safe when doing so. If you have any questions, please reach out to us either in the comments section or through the phone at the clinic or through our email or the website. Now, saying that, there's a couple pieces of equipment that might make things a bit easier for you when you're exercising at home. Behind me, I've got these Physio Balls. We've got one at 45 centimeters, 55 centimeters, and 75 centimeters. You don't necessarily need them all. You don't need any of them at all if you'd rather not. But they have a lot of uses. They can give you a bit of stability, but still be movable, so allow you to have some dynamic movement. If you're going to be about 6 feet and you want to sit on it, you're probably going to need the bigger one. But right now, we're not going to get into any kind of sitting on the ball exercises at the moment, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention. There's a lot of great uses, and we'll be talking about them throughout the episodes. Another one that you might find useful is something like this. It's called a fit ball. So it's not a dollar store ball. This is burst proof. You can squish it, you can sit on it, you can really put some force into it if you need to. It's also got a little bit of friction, so you can work with your hands on it, you're not going to slide off. So these are pretty good, and they're about $10. A couple more things. Straps. So, you've got your generic strap with no handle or anything. This is a TheraBand brand band, and it's got a lot of great uses. The different colors relate to different tensile strengths. You can strap it to things, you can tie it to things, so that can be kind of a pre-set up part of your exercise regimen. And so that's got some great uses, but of course you need to be able to tie it or wrap it around your hand. And so if you're suffering from hemiplegia, this might not be the best one. Another alternative are these straps like this that have interchangeable handles. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a little carabiner here where you can take this off and you can change it for this. And this is a wrist strap. So if you didn't have great use of your hands, this could be kind of pre-set up, and then you can use the rest of the band either holding it down with your other foot, you could have it tied to something, but again, you just need to use the Velcro, not actually tie a knot. Lastly, something else you might find useful, something for both hands. So this is a yoga block. You could use a cane or a stick, but there's just a couple pieces of equipment that might make things easier when you're trying to work out from home. Anyhow, stay well, keep moving. Thanks for watching.